Alright, what's going on guys? Paralefty here, and today I'm going to bring you a little about my PC. Now this is my 2016 PC build, and it went phenomenal. So quiet, so beautiful. We're running the Corsair HX850i. We're running Thermaltake water cooling kit, 220mm fans. We're running 16 gigs of HyperX DDR3 RAM. We're running an EVGA GTX 960 super clocked. And the processor that we have is a Intel i5 6600K 3.5 gigahertz. Now the reason why I got a new processor and everything like that is I took apart my Asus ROG G20AJ. I was going to use the motherboard out of it, but unfortunately the motherboard is very specific and is not compatible with any other kits. So what did I do? I went out and bought an Asus Maximus 8 Hero motherboard. And since I bought the motherboard, I had to buy new RAM and I had to buy a new processor. It is a Skylake processor. I did try to get everything top of the line that I could. And so this will be my recording, editing, and streaming PC. I feel like it's going to be completely capable of everything. And there's the little asshole cat that you could hear in the background. His name is Jackie, named after another YouTuber whose YouTube channel is Jackie J Games. So you guys should check her out. I'll leave her link in the description. My daughter loves her, so we ended up naming our cat after her. And this PC, this is my Khaleesi.